how should you hold a knife and fork? Well, conventionally, forks are set on the left-hand side of the plate because we use our left hand, and knives and spoons set on the right-hand side of the plate because, you guessed it, you use your right hand. All goes back to the time when men used to carry swords. The right hand was the sword-carrying hand. If you're left-handed, you just do exactly what I'm about to say, but in the opposite hands. You pick up the fork, and the fork is held with the handle of the fork resting in the palm of the hand. Your index finger should stop just before the bridge of the fork. So we hold it like so to begin with, wrap our fingers round and turn over. Notice I've got a flat finger here, not an arched finger. Now the knife is held in exactly the same way in the right hand, with our index finger stopping where the blade and the handle meet, and the handle of the knife again in our palm. All the fingers tucked round. No arch, a straight finger like so, and then we just marry them up like so. Now notice that this is a knife, it's not a pen, there's no ink in it, so we're not going to hold it like that. Generally people that eat like this, they're the people whose peas and potatoes and chunks of chicken fly off into your plate, so you can't hold it like this. Please hold it securely like a knife. And when we do eat, keep your elbows tucked in, and we're not a dinosaur, so we're not going to eat like so. Keep your wrists nice and low like so.